Get ready to experience flight like never before with the AE86 Max Pro 6000M drone. A professional-grade UAV equipped with cutting-edge features designed for precision, power, and high-performance aerial photography. At the heart of this powerful quadcopter is the HiSilicon chip, known for its advanced image processing capabilities. Combined with an 8K Ultra HD camera, this drone captures breathtaking aerial footage with vivid color, incredible detail, and cinematic sharpness. Whether you're filming real estate, coastlines, fishing adventures, or travel content, the AE86 Max Pro delivers professional results with ease. Thanks to 5G Wi-Fi transmission, you get real-time FPV, first-person view, with minimal lag and crystal-clear image quality, even from long distances. Paired with advanced GPS positioning, your drone will always know exactly where it is, allowing for stable hovering, precise route planning, and smart return-to-home functionality when needed. Safety is key, and the AE86 Max Pro comes equipped with a 360 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system (OAS). Whether you're flying in urban spaces, forests, or near water, the drone actively detects and avoids objects in all directions, keeping your investment safe while flying north. Brushless motors provide smooth, quiet, and powerful flight performance with enhanced energy efficiency and durability. These motors handle wind resistance better and require minimal maintenance, making them ideal for long-term use in a variety of conditions. When it comes to flight endurance, the AE86 Max Pro 6000M packs a powerful battery that gives you up to 28 minutes of continuous flight time on a single charge. And with just 6 hours of charging, you'll be back in the air, ready to explore. The remote controller is designed for convenience and precision, featuring an integrated phone holder that supports devices up to 7 inches. This makes it easy to get a full-screen live view of your flight and access all camera functions via the mobile app. Whether you're a drone hobbyist, content creator, professional surveyor, or coastal fisherman, the AE86 Max Pro 6000M gives you the tools to fly smarter, film sharper, and go further. Hammer and wrench key features recap. HiSilicon chip plus 8K Ultra HD camera for stunning aerial photography. 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission for ultra-smooth real-time video. GPS module, precise positioning, auto return to home, and waypoint flight. 360 degrees Obstacle Avoidance System, OAS, for full directional safety. Brushless motors, durable, efficient, and quiet. Up to 28 minutes flight time with a high-capacity battery. 6-hour charging time, remote control with phone clip, supports up to 7-inch smartphones. Ideal for aerial filming, fishing, inspections, and adventure travel. Bullseye perfect for fishing and bait drop missions, outdoor photography and vlogging, real estate and construction surveys, YouTube creators and aerial cinematographers, beginners and pros seeking advanced safety features. Clapperboard take control, capture everything. Fly with confidence with the AE86 Max Pro 6000M drone.